Hello people of the internet. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and I guess reviewing the Kouji Ibuki Deleter's trial deck for standard. And so here it is. Also, I got some Dragon Shield sleeves. And I guess while I'm here, I'm gonna also open these. These are like not meant for Vanguard, but I got these for my Gear Chronicle deck I bought 4 years ago. And also I have a deck box right here for this Kouji Ibuki deck. So first, let's open up the deck itself, because that's what you're here for. Anyways, the Cardfight Vanguard, Kouji Ibuki Trial Deck 7. This came out March 22nd, and I hope that this deck doesn't end up being useless, because if you've seen the newest episode of Vanguard, which for on the date of this recording is episode 9, Kouji Ibuki just got back his Neon Messiah, so I really hope that this doesn't make deleters useless. Anyways, this includes, let's zoom in into the contents. Zoom in. Okay, pre-constructed deck, 50 card set, gift marker, which I mean, I haven't played Vanguard in 4 years, so when I came back to Vanguard 2-3 months ago, I realized yep, they did a reboot. Anyways, playmat and first guide on how to play. Though for the most part I know how to play Vanguard. But anyways, let's open this up. Let's just see, there's no tape, is there? Is there tape? Oh, there's tape on the side here. Will my trusty pen help me? I think my trusty pen will help me. Alright. And I just taped it. Anyway, okay, you go back there. Go back there. Go. Alright. Anyways. Just open this up. And here it is. Of course I'm going to be keeping this because it looks cool. Here's the first card and the playmat. We'll get to that. First let's get to our the main deck anyways. And if I can open it. Open. Alright. Here's the deck, which I kind of don't feel like opening because it's so perfectly made. But you know, perfectly in here. But yeah, the first card, which was the card on the front, was a Docking Deleter Grion, which is the main, which is, I guess you could call the main card of this deck. I don't know why I did this, because it pretty much is. Anyways, let's open this up. I don't want to damage the card. I'm gonna try to do this on the back. At least that'll be. Oh, you know what? Why am I doing this? Let's just get my trusty scissors. Anyways. Yes, everything's trusty. Alright. Or it's a really difficult to open. Alright. Let's check out these cards now. Okay, so now if I can zoom in. Okay, I don't think you can really see that much. I guess I'll have to keep doing this, but either Docking Deleter Grion. Okay, let me put these scissors away and don't damage the cards. A Swift Deleter Giali, I guess. It looks nice, actually. These cards look really nice, though. These Deleter cards. A Ferment Deleter Gain. Another Docking Deleter Grion. 2 more. 3 more. Well, 3 more, I guess. A Arrow Metal Bearer Dragon. So we zoom in into the name there. That's what it looks like. Sorry about the quality of my camera, it isn't the best. I mean, it's from 2015. Another Swift Deleter Gial, I guess. A Bloating Deleter Geo. I think it's Geo. A big, okay, this is a long name. A big gunner of Cataclysmic Variable Star. This one looks sick though, not gonna lie. Looks like a robot. There's another, yeah, there's another Ferment Deleter. Another is, well, I guess not another. A breaking deleter. A breaking deleter. Gateri. Two of them. A Wheel of the Galaxy Cosmo chapter. Three of them. And they're perfect shields. Okay, I thought this was in, like that said L, like it's in Spanish. Cathode of Collapse Magnotier. These cards look cool anyways. Critical Trigger Asteroid Wolf. I can't wait to see what my starting Vanguard looks like though. That's from my some of these cards are from the premium deck too. Pulse Monk of the Quacking Foot. Yeah, I always found that funny. Quacking Foot, really? Like, why'd you pick that name? Beloved Child of Super String Theory looks way better than from the premium deck. I mean, she didn't look bad, but she looks way better now. She used to be she's still a draw trigger. Lady Healer of the Throne World. All the triggers are still the same from the premium deck. And here's a card. So the gift marker. So there's 2 fourths. The 2 fourths imaginary gifts. I need to learn how to use forces though, because I again stopped playing Vanguard for like 3 years and then only resumed 2 months ago. Arrow Mattlebur Dragon. A Bloating Deleter. Okay, there's another one. Another one. A Wheel of the Galaxy. Okay, I think I already said this one. I'm an idiot and didn't realize that this is the starting Vanguard. So, yeah. I'm an idiot. A Sprout Deleter Lucci. Sprout Deleter Lucci. Oh, this is a cool looking force marker. It doesn't have a name. I wonder why these don't have a name. I'm just gonna call it a deleter. This is my starting Vanguard. Sprout Deleter Lucci. It's kind of weird not to see any of these cards have Generation Break 1. Because again, as you know, I haven't played Vanguard in a long time. But yeah. And that's the deck. I guess we'll open these, well actually, we need to open this. For the playmat, we'll open this at the end of the video. For the first guide, it's just your typical first guide. But it opens like this now. It used to open like, up, but now it just opens like this. First guide. Might have to actually read this because I haven't played Vanguard in such a long time. But yeah, it's the first guide. With the Kouji Ibuki on the front. These are actually custom, unlike with G. If you played Vanguard G, all of the starter guides are all like blue with just Chrono. And Chrono, Shion, and that green haired girl I forgot the name of. Anyway, yeah. And now let's get to the Dragon Shield. These are the Dragon Shield Crimson Matte. Let's open this up. A lot of plastic surrounding these, because this did cost $7. This, which I think I got ripped off for, but the Kouji Ibuki deck cost $16, which I know I could buy online for $12, but I was already at the shop and was like, eh. And also I wanted to get these, which were actually cheaper than online. I think they were like $7 or the same as online. Not really sure. They could be expensive. I didn't really check for these, but I wanted to go to the shop to see if there was like any booster packs I could buy. But there weren't. So, and I was already there, so I just decided just to buy it here instead of buying it online. Okay, finally. And here are the sleeves. These are look like my red sleeves that I have, but a little bit darker. They look lighter on camera. And Like, let's put my starting Vanguard in here. And they fit perfectly. They're actually like Vanguard cards, the same as Yu-Gi-Oh sleeves, so you could put these for Yu-Gi-Oh cards as well. So I don't play Yu-Gi-Oh, so yeah, there you go. Pretty nice. I like these because I like the red sleeves because they work with Link Joker. Let's just close this box right here and move this deck to the corner and on top of that. Throw this trash to the side. The trusty pen can stay right here. And another thing is this deck box I got. Which, let's open it up. I got this from eBay for $4.20. It was the cheapest one. Okay. And here's the Ultra Pro deck box, which I guess I'll open. Here it is. Pro deck box, red, to go with the Cardfight Vanguard. Open it up. And here's my deck box. I'm not gonna put the cards in there yet because I still gotta put the sleeves on them. Here's the deck box. Looks really nice. I had a red deck box already, but it broke. So, and these are standard size sleeves because I didn't want to spend $7 on Dragon Shield sleeves, and I don't really care about the size for my Gear Chronicle deck because it's not my main deck. Anyway, open these up, and yeah, you know, they're cheap sleeves, but that's the whole reason I bought them. The black, the Ultra Pro thing, and I actually put my Gear Chronicle deck in this watch box. So we're like, when you buy a watch, it comes in a box like this. You know what? Instead of opening this, I'm just gonna take one of these the leader cards and put them in here for a second. I'll take Pulse Monk with the Quacking Foot. So that name is just funny, Quacking Foot. Anyways, yeah, you can see the size difference, but yeah, it works at least. Before I go, actually, and okay, let's just do that. Before I go, let me actually open up the. Let me just show you the playmat, because I haven't even seen it myself, and I did promise I'd show you it in the end of the video. So on the back, it's a little like what you should do, like the best way to play it, and I guess advertisements. Well, actually, there's no advertisements on this one. Never mind. Wait, okay, never mind. Okay, there's not. Well, not that many besides this, but yeah. Misaki, Naoki, Ishida. I forgot his name. I remember Misaki's name for some reason. Anyways, and this looks way better than last year's playmat, which was like gray. This one is black, and it not last year's 2015's one for premium. This one looks way better. It's really nice. Anyways, now to end off the video. Peace and goodbye.